Thank you. Please be seated. The British High our members of Parliament, our Senator, CEOs, and all the stakeholders, good morning. God is good, and all the time. Nisalimieni kwa Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Asanteni sana. It is a great day as we break the ground for construction of Menengai Geothermal Power Generation Project. This project will add an extra 35 megawatts to a national grid upon completion in 2025. You said May 9. You said May 9, 25, 25th of May. My PA, can you put that in my diary? I'll be back here. So, wewe minister na PS kama nikija nikute hakuna kitu, mfunge virago muende. To complement the existing geothermal, wind, solar, and hydropower. We are implementing this project in partnership with Globelec, with the support of the African Development Bank, to a tune of 140